Something in your eye, baby.
Oh yeah.
So anyways, welcome back to our channel, guys. So the future code is Mr. We're gonna think of a name for him. So your girl future coldest and my boo bear. Ew. You're so disgusting. You want to this is what's in my mouth challenge. We're just chilling and just talking and we're just like, you know, let's film the would you rather time. So yeah, we don't have a selfie stick because Ziggy broke both of them. Just like how he bought a plane. Not even, it hasn't even been a week and the plane's broken.
I love it. I breeze skyway. Breeze skyway for real, man. Yeah.
So anyways, we're gonna jump right into these questions. So the first question is, would you rather to be ugly and rich or be poor and good looking?
I'll be ugly and rich. I don't give a fuck.
Poor.
Being rich, like, nobody cares about ugly. What you talking about?
Rich and ugly? Rich and ugly. Poor and good looking. I don't know which one I'd honestly be. I guess I'd rather be.
You rather be pretty.
And poor?
I'm poor. What you rather be? You know what you say?
Poor and good looking.
Like, seriously?
Yeah, because sometimes.
Why?
Because you can have the most amount of money in the world and just be unhappy.
You're lucky.
I don't know. I'm joking. Honestly, deep down, I want to say I would rather be poor and rich. I mean, ugly and rich. Deep down, that's what I want to say.
Yeah, joke. Chat about.
Would you rather to always have to say everything on your mind or never speak again? I'd rather to just say what's on my mind.
I'll go with that.
Which one? Always say what's on your mind.
Yeah.
Yeah. Never speak again. Why? Like, nothing wrong.
If I like to not speak for a couple months, well, yeah, but I, you know,
yeah.
keep something.
But the fact that you're never speaking again. Okay, would you rather to be able to turn invisible or be able to fly? I'd rather be invisible. Which one would you rather? Be invisible or fly?
Nah, man, me always want to fly, God knows. More of a feeling we could have fly.
If you guys watched the video when we gave you like a little bit of information about ourselves, then you'd hear Ziggy's story when he said when he was little, he thought he was a superhero. He used to tie a plastic bag on his back, and when he said he used to jump off stuff,
Nah, me used to run.
Run and fly like he's some superhero.
So nah, seriously, but I'd rather fly.
I'd rather be invisible and just
Strong
go through
and
anything.
fly.
I can like the way how I love to bother you, get annoyed. Sometimes
Right.
I can just bother you, you wouldn't even know it's me. You would know it's me because I'd be the only one invisible.
Me nah no problem. I fly go where I want to go, you know. When they travel the whole world.
So let me fly and leave me. Ooh,
What do you?
that's a good one. Topic.
Topic.
Lick a smelly man's armpit or chew on his rotten toenail. I'd rather lick his.
They chop on one toenail.
I'll just lick his armpit, you know, just be like, hey. One time, why would you want to just continuously chew on a toenail? A rotten toenail?
Wait, no.
What if that gets stuck in your teeth?
What you say, continuously?
No, I'm just saying.
Alright.
It doesn't say, but I'm just saying.
Yo, just for know, say,
Just
man
lick the
go
man-
have me arm up, so.
Come and lick yours.
What?
Come and lick yours.
Nuts.
I'd
Say
rather
how
lick
long
a
was it? Yeah.
Yo, you're chewing on a rotten toenail.
Oh, you know in toenail rotten.
I guess when it's like yellow and like black, I don't know.
I don't know.
Just look at yours and you know.
Another few minutes.
Would you rather stab yourself with a knife every time you talk or get spit on your face every time you talk?
I'd rather take the spit.
I'd rather take the spit.
There's two.
And it's painless. Yeah, me and stabbing, that's pain. It's like every time I'm talking right now, it's just like, see, like it's gonna be like constant, like. And you know, I'd rather just do this than the. Have your fingers stuck in bottles for a year or bucket stuck in your head for a year?
Bucket stuck in your head or your head stuck in a bucket?
It says bucket stuck in your head. I think it means on your head for a year.
I'll go with the finger.
I'd rather just have a bucket stuck on your head. Would you rather be without a nose or without ears? I'd rather not have ears. Yo, if you don't have a nose, I mean, you can eat shit and not even know, like, but you still taste it.
I'd rather be without a nose.
I'd rather be like ears. I have to hear certain things. I'd rather just not have my ears.
If I have my ears, I can hear what I want before anything happens. Spray nose, that's what they call it. Fire, fire, fire. And you can't hear.
But I can smell it.
Oh.
Either drink dog's pee or not pee at all for a year. I'd rather not pee for a year at all.
But that will sick you.
You'd rather drink dog pee?
How long?
It doesn't really say. I think it's for a year. A year. It's every morning having a glass of dog pee.
Probably healthy. You know.
Healthy in what way? Ew!
Let's get up now more. Let me have a cup of tea. What kind of tea? I mean, tea.
Would you rather keep farting after every 2 minutes or sit on a toilet seat for the next 10 years of your life? I'd rather fart every 2 minutes. Sit on a toilet for the next 2 years of my life? Are you mad?
Yeah.
What if I turn into
First, y'all have one of the silent and deadly one. Then. Gas mask. Sorry, them. You know that one you like?
No, the other one just like, it's just air, like.